to learn about interest today. So, when do you use interest? Well, you use interest when you borrow money or you have a mortgage to pay. So how do you figure out interest? Well, the formula for interest is the money you're paying, the time and years that you are trying to pay it off, and the APR or annual percentage rate. Here's one example. Let's say that you're trying to buy something for $150,000. Let's say you want to pay it off for 36 months with the 15% annual percentage rate. Now, we keep the $150,000 the same because that's the amount of money. Since it's supposed to be in years, 36 months won't do. If it's in months, then you'd always divide by 12. 36 divided by 12 is 3. So we have 3 right there. Now, as always, when you have a percent and you're trying to multiply by something else, you turn it into a fraction. The fraction version of 15%, we're trying to figure out the decimal of it. The decimal version of 50% is 0.15. So you multiply 150,000 by 3 by 0.15. That equals 67,500. Now, that's not the last step. You have to be careful about this. Don't forget. You have to add what you got plus the amount of money you're already paying. So, you would add 150,000 plus 67,500. And that equals a total of 217,500, which means that you would pay 217,500 in total. Let's try a different example. Let's say that you have to pay $1,000 for something, and you have a loan for 6 months with an annual percentage rate of 13%. Now, as always, we still have the same amount of money, so we keep it 1,000. Since it's 6 months and it's in months, we have to divide by 12. 6 divided by 12 is 1/2 or 0.5. Finally, 13% is converted into 0.13 into decimal form. Again, we multiply all these numbers, getting a total of 65. Now, again, we add 65, which is the number we got, to the original amount of money you have to pay, 1,000. 1,000 plus 65 is a total of $1,065, which is the total amount of money you'll have to pay.